Okay, I'm going to tell you how to safely expedite your little channel to get to 1,000 subscribers. Now first, if you're wondering why you're losing your subscribers, then you'll need to watch the Angry Pirate News channel and watch the video called "Why Are You Losing Subs After YouTube Policy Change?" The Angry Pirate will explain all of this to you, so I'm not going to get into that. But what he will explain is that you need to stop doing sub for sub. It's against YouTube policy. You can get a strike from YouTube and even get your hard-working channel pulled or deleted. All your content is YouTube's property, and you agreed to this when you signed up for monetization. Advertisers only want their ads to play on quality channels, and YouTube will keep coming up with ways to try and make this happen. Believe me, there's more crappy channels out there than this crappy channel. Now the second thing you need to do is make a video like this one. You can ask someone to like your video and subscribe, but where the difference is, you need to ask them to place a comment in the video about the video. When you make a comment, do not say, "I subbed you, sub for sub," or "sub me back," and do not put a link to your channel. I will not visit your channel or sub someone who does this. Now the third thing you need to do is turn on notifications and allow comments on your videos. And when I read your comment, I already have your channel right there. I can just click on it. If I like what you have to say, then I'll probably check out your channel. If I like your content, I'll comment. I never make negative comments. Then I'll decide for myself if subscribing is for me. Because every time you put out a new video, I'm going to get a notification. An active channel that's making videos with decent content will get to 1,000 subscribers in a short amount of time. Just keep at it. So, comment, like, and sub like crazy. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.